Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we are going to talk about automation. So automation is basically a doing a simple virtual task without any human intervention. Okay? So for example, you are going to do a simple task like sending a picture that needs to be saved in a certain time. Automation will help you with that. You just need to create a recipe which is called by some of the automation sites that we are going to use. So a sample of that automation site is IFTTT. So this is a free website that we could access anytime and anywhere. So for now, I do have my account here at IFTT. So you can also sign up with them by logging in at IFTT.com. So this is the applets that I formerly use, and I'm gonna be honest with you, this is quite helpful, and I think I need to experiment more about this IFTT. So let's search more or explore some of the programs of the recipes that IFTT has. So now we are going to use Facebook. So basically, we need to find a certain recipe that we are going to use for this video tutorial. So maybe let's try. Maybe let's try this. Automatically share a new Facebook status updates to a Facebook page. So so all we need to do is to connect this. So it's going to our Facebook account. So we need to log in to our Facebook. So let's continue. Click OK. Then it's automatically going to the IFTP site again. So, oh, okay. We need to create a content on my page. Of course, I'm so sorry about that. Didn't expect that. So, we need to use the hero gaming page that I manage. So, let's click update. Okay. And it's connecting now. Okay, it's connected. So when you share a new Facebook post, it will be automatically posted to a Facebook page you manage. So let's try it. Let's go to settings. So let's check now. There is an error. We need to notify. Yeah. Let's view activity. So need to. Oh, it's okay now. So let's get back. And so let's check again. It's completed now. So let's try it. Let's save it. Let's put a message when it's successful. And let's save it. Then let's try it on my Facebook. So let's type in hello world. So let's try it. Okay. I did it post. So, yep, it's been posted. Now let's go to our Facebook page. What would happen? Okay, just need to click it. So yeah, it's successful. So thank you guys, and hopefully we could um, share this video and put a like. And thank you and ciao.